Good day. Welcome, everybody. Thank you to all the loyal subscribers and YouTubers. Thank you for all the follows. We do appreciate it. Got my lovely wife Estelle on camera. And today, this is the engine I bought from a local scrap metal. I bought it with one reason. You're going to laugh at me. You've all seen these videos of the guys buying a car, the engine is stuck. Then they put acetone mixed with gearbox oil, ATF, red ATF, inside, and after a couple of days, marvelously, the engine starts turning and they actually fire up the engine. So I bought this engine with one reason, not just for spares, but it's stuck. We're going to try and test that today. Let me quickly show you how stuck this beast is. Like you can see, it's pretty much solid. Like you can see, it's pretty much stuck, eh? I mean, my one friend made a joke when we picked this thing up and said, "Yeah, I know you probably started up." Do you know how wrong you were? I'm gonna try. Alright, I think the best way is to tilt it like this because the plugs are on a flat surface. And remove what plugs we have in the motor. Like you can see here, it never had plugs, so all that crud is inside there. And let's try the trick with acetone and ATF. I'm curious to see if it works for reals. I guess some of you also. That's why we're doing this, to test it. Oh, that's not a good sign. That's full of water. I'm going to tilt this motor and get the water out first. I bet you the sleeves are gone on this. It's like this. Probably all pitted. Check the water coming out of that cylinder. Well, there's your problem right there. Let me tilt that other side. Just to mess around with this thing. Curiosity killed the cat, they say. Well, I'm curious. I want to see this acetone trick. If it's really going to free up the engine. Our waterlogged Chevy. It's a 010 block, so probably a 350. Used to be. Somebody tried to do that part to store it nicely, but like you can see, didn't work too much. Like you can see here, got my acetone mixed with ATF. Let me just shake it up and protect the paving. Squeeze some in the cylinders and put plugs just to keep it in there. Piston must be right at the bottom. Just give it time to breathe a bit. Let's go for the sleeve. Now what they say is the acetone should evaporate and let the ATF go into each nook and cranny. Well, we're testing this now. Takes quite a bit. But okay, it's got a 4-inch diameter bore, so it should take quite a bit. We squeeze in all the cylinders. Then we'll let it stand a couple of weeks or a couple of days, depending, and see if it turns. And we'll take it from there in the rest of this video. So let's give it some time. Okay, still. Let's fit the plugs to keep the liquid inside, just as a plug, basically. And then we'll give it a couple of days and see if she can turn. She turns, I swear I'm going to try and start her. Just because I can. Doesn't matter, it's anyway a trash motor. Good thing it hasn't even got oil in it. Alright, so we had this thing sitting for months, acetone and ATF. We finally got it to turn over, got it loose. I quickly drained, and yeah, that's all that actually I had in the pan. Look at the nice debris field. Let me just put this plug back. Let's see if this trick works, if this motor will start and run. I'll be dipped if it does. First things first, I want to change this intake to a 4-barrel intake, as I don't have a 2-barrel intake for this at the current moment, or a 2-barrel carburetor, sorry, for this at the current. The distributor actually broke to get it loose, so I'll be replacing that. Right, take this apart quickly because I want to take this intake off. I already loosened the covers to tap the valves, make sure the valves ain't stuck. So let's get to that. There's my 40. Loose the intake quickly. I'll quickly probably clean the surfaces and a valley. I'll take it from there. I'll be amazed if this thing runs. Honestly, I wouldn't believe myself. Was stuck for months on end. Kept on filling it up, like you can see, with the acetone and ATF. The distributor was rusted completely to the intake. Alright, like you can see, most of the rust seemed to come out. I still have some deposits here and some crud here and there. Oh, that's actually quite thick still. Let me take that all out because this thing was rusted up badly, like you can see in here even. I'll try and hit that and get that out as well. This cleaned up nicely. I still need to do this side as well. I wonder how the sump looks. Alright, I put the intake, I put the timing. Let's see if she will fire off. I hope so. Just putting some water in a block because I want it to run a bit so that we can get those rings, those lovely rings, to just come loose a bit because they're all rusted to the pistons. Well, there you go. She runs. My scrapyard scrap metal engine runs. Can you believe it? It's got a couple of cylinders, 2 cylinders I've seen misfiring. Might be HT leads because it's old leads or plugs, but we'll sort that out. That's nothing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.